Assalamualaikum student of class 10. I am your ICT teacher Khurshid Alam Rani from Square High School and College, and today I am going to show how to prepare text layer and how to transfer picture from one file to another in Photoshop. So let's get started. You should keep in mind that if text is started with the type tool, the text will automatically be written on the text layer. The new text layer will be transparent. Now, click on the canvas selecting the type tool from the toolbox, and instantly a new layer will be added to the layer palette. Here I am taking the text tool and clicking on the canvas. A new layer is added to the layer palette. Selecting the text tool, click the mouse pointer on the canvas and the requisite drop down option list will be found on the option bar to determine the font size, etc. Select a font. Here I am selecting Times New Roman. The size of the font will initially be selected 12, and I am selecting 72 here, and the font color will be initially black. Okay. Now I am typing Bangladesh, and it will added as a new layer. Okay. The letter T will be viewed as a thumbnail of the text layer on layer palette. The text can be shifted elsewhere with the move tool or mouse pointer. Okay. Okay student, now I am going to show you how to transfer a picture from one file to another. Okay. All the pictures should be transferred to a single file to work together. Prepare an empty file named default Photoshop size. Okay. Default Photoshop size. And another file called Mango. Is opened with the picture of mango, and another file of pineapple, which is named pineapple with the picture of pineapple. Now clicking the mango. Now clicking on a mango with the move tool and drag it to the window of empty file. Okay. Okay. Again, similarly, I am dragging with move tool to the empty file and drop it. Okay, it's a big picture of pineapple. Now I'm going to resize it, and for that I'm clicking on edit and click on transform and then scale. Okay. Now I'm making it small. Okay. Now you have to press enter to make the picture free from transform. Okay. Now we can close the file which contain mango and pineapple. Okay. In the same way, more pictures of more fruits and flowers and any other pictures can be prepared and shifted to the new file. Okay student, that was all about for today. In next class I will show you how to fix target layer and changing the opacity of the layer. Till then, goodbye.